Right, on the bench today, another T100. It's a one owner bike, not been on the road since 1987. It's done 24,000 miles. It is seized solid. So what we're going to do, we'll get the top end off and have a look. But it should be nice to work on, because from being a one owner, it will be unmolested. Thank you. Right, we got down to the head. She's off. If you look in here, very, very rusty. I'm hoping that it's only seized on the bores. But what I'm going to do is I'll soak this. This one doesn't look so bad. It's this one. I'll soak them and see if we can get some movement. Unfortunately, I had to cut the exhaust off. They were seized solid. Found loads of stuck nuts and bolts. There was a lot of rust that come out of the silencers. The silencers look good, it just depends what they're like internally. There's a lot of rust there. So, next move, see if we can free those pistons.